going to have a quick look at the Apollo Series 65 mounting base. This is the conventional base that's used for the optical smoke detectors, ionization smoke detectors, and the various heat detectors, radar eyes, fixed temperature. So separate videos in each of those, but this is the base. I just wanted to, you know, we ship these as individual items, so that's one unit. But when we bring them in, they come, it's in a box of 12, and then the leaflets, the actual install leaflets, are kept separate on these. We have this leaflet up on the website that can be downloaded, that if you need a separate wiring diagram, because obviously in this packet they give you 3 or 4, but you have 20 bases, and I think it's on the assumption that you only really need one to explain how to do it. So if you ever find you need it, it's up on the website anyway. It's a fairly basic for the install of these. Your pause cable is L1 coming in, and your neg is L2 going out, and you have an earth connection, and you can also connect these to a remote LED, which is your L1 in and your R minus out to your remote LED. So it's important to know this. And then it shows here with an end of line resistor or end of line capacitor, so you need to know where to connect these in to make sure you're monitoring your circuit. But it's fairly straightforward. These normally held in place on a mounting box in the ceiling, or screwed direct to the fabric, so you need to follow your own standards or codes of practice for install of these things. But it's usually a 3.5 mil screw with a washer, goes through this and then kind of fixes it to the ceiling. So it's just to give you a little look what these look like. So generally we ship these individual items. If we think to do it, we'll include the little leaflet, but failing that, it's always up on the website anyway. Most people are now looking at the install sheets on their phones and stuff anyway. So Series 65 base. Thanks for watching.